Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your phone number private on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to swipe down, tap on the phone, swipe down again and go to show my caller ID. And from the start, from the factory settings, it should be turned to on, set to make your number private, so just turn it off, and now when you are going to call somebody, they are going to get the private number on or the unknown caller ID. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.